all. Today we are here to discuss a very important topic of class 11, which is digestion and absorption. This is very important topic pertaining to class 11 because many times in NEET, many of the objective questions are asked from this topic. Also, it is important topic with respect to your subjective exams, as every year in class 11, few questions are asked in CBSE class 11 exam. So starting off with today's topic, digestion and absorption. So before we start with the topic digestion and absorption, we must know what is food. Food is the basic requirement of all living organism. Why? Because it provides energy for maintenance and carrying out different activities by human being. Also with it, the question arises, what are the components of food? So talking about the components of food, we must know that food is comprised of various carbohydrate, protein and fat. Now talking of carbohydrate, these are basically present in sugar, in fibers, in all the eatables like chapatis and different kind of vegetables we eat. They comprise of carbohydrate. Talking of protein, they are the basic elements of cereal and all the dietary products of animal. And fats, these are present in nuts, in also some of the dairy products like eggs and milk. Vitamin and minerals are important since they are crucial in carrying out various activities in human beings. Along with carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin and mineral, there is one more important component of life which we are forgetting, and that is water. Water is very important for carrying out various cell functions in our body. It is important because it takes part directly into the metabolic activities of human, in fact all the living organism, and also help to keep our body hydrated. So with this, a very important question which arises in our mind is, what is nutrition and what is digestion? What is the difference between nutrition and digestion? So once we take in food, the immediate process which comes into action is the digestive process, which occurs in the alimentary canal of the body. And when we say digestion, it is simply the conversion of complex food substances into simple absorbable form, because our body cannot take food directly in which is present with lots of macro and micro molecules. Therefore, they need to be converted into simpler substances for their better absorption. And the process of conversion of complex food substances into simple absorbable form is referred to as digestion. Talking about nutrition, what is nutrition? It is the sum total of all the processes by which the living organism take in the substances which are necessary for carrying out their daily activities, their energy requirement and metabolic activities is referred to as nutrition. So when we say nutrition, the simple process of taking in of food is referred to as nutrition. Whereas when compared to digestion, it is the conversion of complex food substances into simple and absorbable form. So I hope the difference between digestion and nutrition is clear. With this, we'll move on to the next topic. What are nutrients? So when we say nutrition, the first thing which comes to our mind is what are nutrients? So as we discussed, the process by which the organism, the living organism, take in the substances. Here by saying substances, we are referring to food for carrying out their daily energy need and maintenance of the body and different metabolic activity is referred to as nutrition. And the food we are talking about is made up of different kind of chemical substances which are known as nutrient. Now when we say nutrient, nutrients are further of two types: macronutrients and micronutrients. So now we'll study what are macronutrients. So as the name suggests, macro, that means the particles which are bigger in size as compared to their counterpart. So they are referred to as macronutrient, those nutrients which are bigger in size. So they are also known as the proximate principles of the food. Because of their size, they are larger, so they are known as the proximate principle of the food. They are necessary in our diet because they provide us energy. They are the principal source of energy, so they are referred to as macronutrient. The examples of macronutrients are carbohydrate, fat, protein. Micronutrient, as the name suggests, micronutrient refer to those nutrient particles which are smaller in size as compared to their counterpart. So the name micronutrient. They are also known as the protective principles of the food. Why protective principles of the food? Because they are very much important along with the macronutrient, because they provide us immunity. They are important for the immune system of our body. They might not be present in a major chunk in our food, but they provide immunity. So the deficiency cause serious diseases. For example, vitamin C can cause scurvy. The examples of micronutrients are vitamin and minerals. This is it for today. Thank you.